Okay. Now the vector tools in the bunch, a lot of tools are there. So what are those tools? Like text is also behaves like a vector. Shape tool also behave like a vector. So this is two major tools which is to be get used inside the vectors. Now the third one is pen, and it is one of the vital tool. It is a customized tool. So these three are vector in considerations. So they can scale to any extension, the quality never gets down. Now we'll start with the first one, the shape. Okay, let's start with the shape. And the hotkey is U. And the pen tool, hotkey is P. It is a comparative learning, so we can start learning in a very less time. T, U, and P. Pen tool create the shapes, but shape tool does have again two type of shapes. What are those? There is predefined shapes and user defined shapes. User defined, and user defined is technically called as custom tools, custom shapes, and it can be created by any format. It may be created by the pen or selection or anything, but we have got to know like custom shapes is user defined shapes. So theory almost it is clear now. Now the predefined shapes are a lot, like we do have marquee tool is predefined shapes, right? There we are having selection. Here we do have perfect shapes. So that is also shape, this is also shape. That is only selection, it is filled with color. It is filled with color. So rectangle, ellipse, and we find some more round, rectangle, polygon, and line. So round, rectangle, or you can go for polygon, and single one is line. So the Venn diagram speaks you like what you are learning, and it's a brain mapping. Like rectangle is again of two types: normal rectangle and rounded rectangle. Rounded rectangle. So these many kind of things are there. Now, to understand the shape, the unique feature of the shape is technical. It does have three part. The shape does have three part. One, it does have an option called like solid. It does have an option called shape, and it does have an option called fill or pixel. Solid is so shape, path, pixel. These three are there. Okay, just a minute. Shape and ಇದೆನಾ? Just a minute.
Sir, can you mute everyone, sir?
Yes, yes. Fine then. So pixel one, shape one, and instead of a solid, it is written like path. So cross it off: path, shape, and pixel. So what is this and what is the difference? Path is only the line art, or only the outer line. You can consider it as path only outer line. I'll go to the practical, but I'm just making your theory strong now. Shape is having outline plus color. Two are there in shapes. But in pixel, only color, no outline. So we have understood shapes, how many type of there. And in the formation or in the structure, this is in the like inner property, it is of three types. As per the outer look, it is again of this many types. So let us move to the practical case. Hotkey is U. We'll start off finding out how do these shapes are there, because where it is used to get the importance of what motion graphics is completely done it. For After Effects students, it is must and motion graphics. So you'll find only the shapes, and all these shapes are created by this shape tool. You can see like how lines here comes here, there, moves, rotates. All the designs are basically done on a designing software first. Then it goes to the motion graphics software to get it animate. It may be done in Illustrator or it may be done in Photoshop, but the graphics has to be done by the graphic designer, then it goes to the motion graphics industry. So hope we understood how important it is. So to understand the importance, we have opened this. Let us move to the practical case. Take a new file, and for the practice, you can use this. Now the hotkey what is U. U for shape tool. So I'm very slow, but it has to reach you. The keyboard shortcut for the shape tool is U. Like if you are here in the move tool and you want to jump over here, just hit the U, it get activated. Once it is done, then we need to instantly move to the left top corner of your option bar. Here you can find three options: shape, path, and pixel. Let us start with the shape. The time we go switch to the shape and we have start drawing something, immediately the software generate a layer automatic. This is the first thing. What happens when you make a shape, you need to make a layer. It forms the layer automatic. Anyhow, we have made a rectangle only. That we can able to do with rectangle marquee also, right? In the previous we have learned the rectangle marquee. And at that time, what we are doing, we are taking a new layer and you are filling the color. On screen, there is no difference. Starter always make a rectangle with the shape tool. But what is the difficulty here? Once you are making a rectangle through the rectangle marquee, yes, on screen there is no different, but modification becomes problem. What is the modification? If client suddenly ask to change the color, then we need to lock this. We need to change here. We need to go over there, then edit menu, then fill it up foreground. These many things to be done up. But if we are using the rectangle marquee tool, just have a double click on the layer, you'll find the window, get it changed. So you can find what is the advantage of rectangle shape compared to rectangle marquee tool. Is it clear? Hope we can able to understand the importance of it. Though we have learned previous tools, why to do the same rectangle once more, sir? And the answer is like it save your time. So we have understood the comparison between a rectangle marquee and the rectangle shape. Both are rectangle. And what is the advantage? Change the color becomes a slow process in rectangle marquee. It is a slow process. It is a fast process. Hope we have taken the time and understood this, why to use rectangle shapes. Because unless we understand the importance, it is faster to do, but it is faster to rectify. Making, this is fast. In making process, this is very fast. So always the starter use this process, rectangle marking only. But it may take some time to draw this. Like we can write slow. So often the starter use this first rectangle marking only. They doesn't go there. They feel comfortable to do this. And this makes the difference between starter and professionals. So it is a comparative screen. Now the next. Once you make a rectangle through the rectangle marquee tool, if the client want to get modify to a different angle or stretch it up, modification, no. Modification, no. But in rectangle shape, yes, we can modify it faster. Let us see how to modify the rectangle. Just it is a comparison. It is a shape, and to get it modified, we need to use a shape selection tool. This is the bunch where you can find shape selection tools. The first one is path, and the second one is direct selection. Path makes it to move all together, but the direct selection allow you to move a particular point and get it changed. So now we have understood how to modify this shape much more faster, and the quality remain the same. Yes, we can able to modify the rectangle also, but what happens over here, if you're taking the free transform and dragging it up, the quality get down. The quality will, obviously it will get down, but here the quality will be sharp. This is the difference between the making process. So now
Sir,
we have yes.
sir, in this shape tool, we can make rectangle into square also, no, sir? In rectangle marquee tool, by clicking shift, you are able to do it, no, sir?
Yes. So we have understood now modification becomes easier in rectangle shape compared to the rectangle marquee. Just it is a comparative format. Why to use this? So we have taken around 2-3 days to understand rectangle marquee. Now we are rejecting that. And this is what the things to be done faster in our brain. Because often rectangle is made through rectangle marquee only. But the difficulty things we have understood, remodification and changing something like colors and all things is difficult. But if you're working with the rectangle shape, it is very easy. So the hotkey U and the hotkey M. So once we understood with one shape, the same logic we can able to apply to others. Now we have understood the point. Second, again, one more thing we have understood here with the new tools introduced. To get modify the shapes, we are using a tool called direct selection tool. So this is direct selection tool, hotkey A. To modify the shapes, we are using direct selection tool, and the hotkey is A. The modification can be done in two ways. One is shape selection tool, path. It select the whole structure, I mean like the whole shape. But if you need to move a particular one, then we need to go for this. The whole structure can be done by path selection tool. The hotkey is the same way, and shift A is to go for the next one. So now new tool introduced, path selection, direct selection. And it is a comparative study. What is rectangle marquee rectangle and rectangle shape rectangle? Now the next. Second advantage of the rectangle like shape, it allow the artist to make the stroke along with the fill. So now you can see on your screen, this shape is equipped with a outline. So it is possible. How to do that? Select the rectangle, have a double click. Okay, you can change it up now. Select it through the path selection tool. On the option bar, we can find the strokes and the color, change it up, and get the thickness to change. Let the thickness to be inside or outside. That is also possible. So we can able to make the next options to come over here, and here the corners. Yes, more options. Just check somewhere here. Alignment. We can align the stroke outside the shape or inside the shape, or 50-50. So we have understood now the advantage of the shape. We can draw it, we can change the shape, we can change the color, we can add the stroke, we can change the thickness of your stroke as well as the style of your stroke. So hope we have understood how to change the style of your stroke. Then you can customize it. Yes, more option available. Here you can choose some more actions to be done here. Yes, so let me show you like what are the more options available. Here the dash and gap is there. So let us go for this. The 4 is dash. Okay. Let me down this. Now switch to the more option. What is happen here? Like dash is 4, gap is 2. Because of that, the dash looks very big. You can switch down the dash to 2 and gap to 2. Now the second, after this 2 dash pixel like length, we need a bigger length. Yes, 5. So we have understood now how to customize it. First dash is 2, then gap is 2, then dash is 5, then gap is 2. It is possible. And if we don't need, yes, delete that. So we have understood now where to align the stroke, how to control the gaps, and the same way the corner and all things you can able to get it customized. Like check in different shapes, it will work out. Get okay. Now we have got to know what is these buttons and what are the things possible with the shapes, which cannot be done by the normal rectangle marquee workout. Now we have added up. Stroke can be given, but stroke effects are not there. So stroke effect is not there in rectangle marquee, but it is yes. Stroke can be applied. Yes, it is possible to apply a stroke to the rectangle marquee shape. That is also possible. We'll coming to that in the next. But effect is not there. So this is a new thing inside the rectangle shape. Now, next informations. Once we have drawn the shapes, in the window menu, we do find an option called path. In the window menu, there is a special button called path. Often the shapes are saved in a path window. As if like a layer window, we do have a path window where all the shapes, what are the structures we are making, no? It will be saved inside the path. We'll be learning about the path in details once we come to the pen tool. But for the timing, we have understood the shape created things are there in a special window that is called path window. Now the next part. If the customer wishes I need only the stroke, not the inside color, then within fraction of second, you can switch the fill to none. It is possible, which is not in this shape. So we got to know the next advantage. None button is not there here, but it is here. Now, again, the next. Again, if the client wishes to go for this, we can bring it back. This happens within very fraction of second. That is what the advantage of this shape, because we are taking a little time to learn the same whatever we have learned in the first class, rectangle shapes. But why to again learn this. Visiting card, browser, everything is the output of. So we'll go to the practical. The next, once your theory is very strong, you can make the wonders. Second, on the option bar, you can find some of the options. Yes, width, height, that is not a new thing for you. You know this, but here again, advantage is there. Along with one shape, we can able to go for the combination of the next shape. What happens now? We can start of fusing the shape along with one shape as if you are doing in rectangle marquee. What you are doing? Add, subtract. Whatever we have learned in the rectangle, the same is working in the shape. But what is the advantage? The whole structure is taking the same properties. We can add more or we can able to subtract it off. Here we do have option called addition and subtractions. Now, if you need to subtract, yes, get it minus. It's a wonderful tool, and the quality remain the same even you scale it for like 20 feet hooding. To make logo designing, it is one of the best tool in Photoshop. The same logo can be printed in a visiting card. The same logo can be printed in 20 feet hooding on the road. Photoshop is capable of doing this vector design. But it is not exclusive software for the designing, but yes, we do have a feature where you can able to make a scalable design. Hope you understood what is the benefit of your present knowledge, and you can do the wonders. Now we got to know addition, subtraction, intersection. It's not a new concept. On the first tool itself, it was there. But here we do find a special option that is called merge shape. Merge shape. In before, the shapes, whatever created by the selection is auto merge. You need to get specially option called merging. So it mix and make a new shapes. But in the shape tool, the shapes are to be asked by us to get it merged. Then only it will turn into this single shape, or else till the time we can move the shapes wherever we want, in which position want. You can get it modified as per your requirement. But once you feel like, yes, everything is okay, then you can select all the shapes and switch to the option called merge shape component. Then what happens? The whole structure turn into a single structure. Now no more modification individual shape. Then it is a single shape. The next modification will be the direct selection and get it move individual points. So what we have understood now, how to merge the shape, how to create the shape, how to add and subtract the shapes. The learning now about the shapes. We got to know merge, create, add, subtract, and like intersect, and all that we can able to try. So all the math could be done up. Fine then. So the next information passed out. Now alignment is again a bigger concept which could be tried out. So let us see how to make the alignment. Let's start up adding some more. Bus. Again few more. And if you don't need something, then you can delete it up and select all the shapes, bring it up. It is there in the same layer. Now select multi shapes and ask the software over here called alignment. Align the top. So what we have seen, how to make this shape to be get aligned. Alignment is again 6 types: left, right, up, down, center, center. So that all shapes, all options are here, and it is not a new. We have seen that in the option bar whenever you are taking any selection. It was done to the layers, now it is done to the shapes. Alignment is possible. So we have understood now alignment of the shape can be done up. Next option we have understood, alignment can be done. But where is the option? How to activate it? What is the minimum things required? That to be none of. Alignment possible. Second thing, once we have done a shape, by holding the Alt button, while you are in path selection, we can duplicate this. Here we have understood a new concept. How to duplicate this shape? What is the Alt and drag? The same way, no extra pressure to your brain. You have done that with the move tool to the layer, Alt and drag. But we are doing the same thing to these shapes by the help of which tool? Path selection tool, Alt and drag. Now, again, one more information add up. Duplication is possible. Duplicate is possible by the help of Alt and drag. Now, after multiple duplications, a new concept arises, like equal gap between the shapes. Now see, like somebody is closer, somebody is far away. Let us make it a uniform arrangement. One part, select step number 1, select all the shapes. By the help of your path selection tool, switch to the option bar, and inside the option bar, we can find the alignment buttons. Already you have learned, but along with that, we have here the distribution buttons. Can you see the distribution? Equal gap between the subjects. Let us align the top first so that you can able to understand how does it works. Go for distribution width. Does it clear? Instantly the gaps become equal in shapes. Before with layers it was happening, now with the shapes. So one more information add up. What is that? Distribution possible. Duplication, alignment, math, new creations. So all the buttons are here. Second. Now the next one. This is called arrangement. So now bring to the top. I'll check and let you know, but this is, yes, it is there. Bring to the front and bring to the back. So bring to the top. Let us take a case. Once you have done something and we can switch the subtractive mode. Whatever now, A minus B. If it is there in the down, it does something else. So we have understood now how to bring the shape to the top order and do the math. Next information pop-ups. What is that? Arrangement possible. Arrangement possible. Along with the arrangement, what is the other thing you got to know? Addition, subtraction, intersection can be done at any time. Can be done at any time. So can be done at any time, that meaning you might be understanding. It is not like always it is to be done in the start of your making shape. No. You make it randomly, then after you can switch to any of the mode you want. It is possible. Fine. So alignment, arrangement, distribution, merging, shape changing, color changing, stroke making, stroke customizing, stroke thickness changing, everything is possible with the shapes. So we are just learning what is shape and how to use the shapes. What are the technical information available with the shapes, and that same thing will be applicable to all the below tools. We have done with one, the same thing you can try with others. Now, a lot of theory you have understood and a comparison understood. Like what is the benefit of working with layers and what is the benefit of working with shapes. And what is the benefit of working with marquee and these shapes? Fine, let us go for a event so that we can understand in a practical manner. We minimize that, take a new file, make the shape, choose the color, get it drag. With the shift button, it make the same rectangle perfectly in a square format. Now select the shape by the help of your path selection tool, hold the Alt and drag it up. Now the next exercise, Control T is also working here. So what is the next information to find out? Control T. Transformation is possible. Is possible. CTRL plus T is working over here. Transformation means Control T, free transform. And get it down, activate it through the command called Control T and find the transform box, hold the Alt button and drag it down as if you're doing for the others. Okay. Bring it to the middle and ask the software to get it subtract. So we have understood now how to get them arranged. Select everybody and ask the software to do align. Align. Is it clear? Now the next, have a duplicate of the subtractive structure and get Control T, get it drag. This is quite important. Just focus onto the screen. Select all the shapes and start doing the math of alignment. Now get it duplicate, get it transform and switch the rotation to right click 90° clockwise. Select everyone, do the alignment. Job is done. Now you can switch from the layer to the other layer and you'll find the same. Now the advantage of it, we can scale it to any extension, the quality never lose. Second part, we can select the any shapes out of so, get it drag, switch to the editing mode. This is possible. Control T, get it transform, bring to the middle, enter, select all, get alignment, perfect. And go to the other layer, find the shape done. And the advantage over here, we can scale to any extension, the quality will never get down. You can make it print in visiting card, or else you can make it print in 20 to 30 feet hooding, which is done in Photoshop, will never lose the quality. Fine. Now the case, how to change the shape of inside. Yes, we can duplicate it. So yes, duplicate, or else taking it to the other layers, copy paste is possible. But here I'm just closing this and switching to this layer. Whichever is not required for us, we are just deleting. So get it, delete. And the middle one is in the up layer. Just have a double click, change the color. What you have understood? How to make a logo designing with the present knowledge. And behind the shape, if it is somewhat hitting like on the edge, then delete it. Doesn't require. Make under the top. Is it okay? समझ में आया? अर्थమైందా?
Okay.
Hello.
Okay, sir.
Your approval. So to go further things. Now, our first job is done. This second, because it is practical, because now we are into the edge, we need to go to the final output. Now it is the time to get it merged, which has been done a lot of math on the back side. Select all the shapes. Already you have learned, merge the shape. But before merging, think twice. No more modification as per the individual shape. Now it is a single shape. You can start off getting modified on that single, not the before. So we have understood now how to merge it up and how to scale it up. Now both the layers can be scaled to any extension in any size. It may be very small or it may be very big. Quality will remain the same. Now got to know in a practical manner how to create a logo, create a vector logo. That is not only normal logo, vector logo with the help of a shape tool. So the comparison study is on your screen, where to use rectangle marquee and all. And what are the options you got to know? This is what here on the left part of your screen. What are the technical options available on the shape tool? This is here. Let us go for a next practical example. Often once you are going to a job, then the first they will ask you to make a visiting card. Am I right? No? Visiting card. And visiting card is a game of shapes. So you can find rectangle, rectangles. Every times you'll find rectangle or like a little bent structures, which is there. Now, if you can also see on your screen, a lot of shapes are there. And now here you can consider this shapes. So the same shape is here in the left side and the same color is there in the right side, but the cutting is the same. Can you see the angle? This angle makes the unity. Now there is a rule which is working on the back end. So it is not individual like layers, it is in a single layer the work is happening up. Let us see how does the artist are doing this. Very professional like cards with very simple technique. So let us see how to make these cards. Visiting card making is a professional task and we have learned the rectangle tool. Let us start the rectangle tools. Just make a shape. No need to worry about the colors. Step number 1 done. Step number 2, Control T. Get the transform box. Check your angle exactly on the option bar by feeding the number, or else you can try it up manually. Just I'm feeding 45 degree, or like it may be anything like 120 something, or else yes, drag and find it out what is your angle you want. Now drag to the maximum and get it modified. So you find the first structure is done up. Is it clear? So now it is individual learning. So get it involved, and wherever you feel like to get question, ask me now. Now the second, if you need the same blue color to be here, yes, Alt and drag, get it placed. Once the design is done, the client asks, change the color. No need to think of where is your color, where to put. No, just have a click, find, ask the client which color you want. Now the next, the client may ask you, I need a small strip over here. Just get it, duplicate, press it down, and select the direct selection tool and make this shape to come down, down, down. Is it okay? So how to make the structure? By the help of your shape. And it is 100% quality. The quality will never get down. So we have made multiple structures in a single layer. The advantage, we can change the color within fraction of a second. Client may ask this particular shape to be in different color. Here, yes, We may copy this, or like you can take a new layer and paste it there. Have a try. If it is forming, it's okay. Get it down. No, it's not working. I'll leave that. The same technique, whatever you have adopted for the before one, you can adopt that. Just duplicate the layers and delete all the saves. Just hide this, and which is not required, get it delete. And switch on this below and change the color. Now the duplication is working, and deleting and adding could be done up. Is it clear? Now the next. Once everything is done, sometimes below we need to make a balance, and he's asking to make a different shapes to be there down. Take the shape tool, drag it up. Ask the software what to do, subtract it. So it should not be in the individual layers, and the same layer you can start up adding some more. Subtract, drag. So what you see now, how to make the shapes, how to cut the shapes. Again, he may ask, we need the colors once more below it. Select the shapes by the help of your path selection tool, Alt and drag, and get it to add up. Just to make you know what shapes can able to help you out. Getting the same angle, getting balance with subtraction, getting color with addition, and getting change within fraction second. The flavor could be changed at any time. Save handling. All the visiting card and all things are the output of your safe handling. So addition is there, subtraction is there, duplication is there, and the further continue happens in that way. So layout making, logo making. So what we have understood here, how to make a layout with the help of your shape tool. This second output. First output is this, then layout. It may be for visiting card, or it may be for brochure, or it may be for a cover page book. Every time you find the layout to be done up. Now switch to the structure. Hope you have understood the math. Now check here, called a book cover page designing. All the vector shapes, except to the photography, just start catching to your shape if line art. Cover page, not line art.
Line designs.
Line design, maybe like you can switch to the vector art. So you can find a lot of math is there on your screen. Shapes. Shapes. So they start of using the shape here and there. Get the math to be done up. Complete. Create the shape from the shape. Don't take any new shape. This is a simple concept. Then it will sync with the edge. So this is again a different multiple like multiplication in modes they are doing, but you just find it out how it could be now. So let us go for one more action. We have seen the two structure, logo making and normal cuttings. Next part, the same. We are into the shapes. We can now make multiple duplications. It is possible. It is a bigger concept. Check now. Change the center point and start dragging this. Press the enter. Alt, Control, Shift and T. Okay. So what we have seen here, how to make duplication with multiple versions of your transformations. It is possible. And each one can be switched to the intersection mode. So that makes a different math on your screen. Now, this is a structure which could be created. Is it clear? Intersection. The common part will be transparent. So two more actions has been done on the screen. One, multiple duplications.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, కానీ నేను ఎట్లా చేయాలి సార్
Once
ట్రాన్స్పరెంట్
and this is the option we have used called intersect. Intersect. This is the option. Till now, once again I'll do it. But that's
multiple duplication intersection.
Yes, making the theory to get clear first. Till now we have done with addition and subtraction, but now we have introduced intersect, and we have done only duplication. Now we have introduced multiple duplications. As if you are doing to the layers, you can do to the shapes. Check. So the shapes are there inside your shape window. Just get it, delete. Doesn't require. Take one shape. Now duplicate it. Select both and switch to the intersection. This is intersect, exclude overlapping shapes. So here the common area will be deleted, exclude overlapping shapes. So here I have not used intersect, exclude overlapping. Overlap ఎక్కడెక్కడ అయింది అది తీసుకోండి ఎలా చెప్తుంది. ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ లో ఏమవుతుంది, కామన్ ఏరియా ఏముంటుంది అది ఉండాలి. రివర్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్క్లూడ్ ఇస్ ఇంటర్సెక్ట్. కామన్ ఏరియా విల్ బి దేర్, ద రివర్స్ ఇస్ overlap. So the technical information is clear. Now it is the time to see like how to make multiple copies. Let's get it down. Control T, change the center point and get it move. Press the enter. Alt Control Shift T. Does it clear? What happens over here? Exclude overlapping is working. Along with that, multiple duplication is happening with the keyboard shortcut that you got to know. Alt Control Shift plus T. So this much of keys we are hitting on keyboard to make multiple duplication, which is already you have learned in layers. Layers lo 5-6 layers ila cheyala telusu. Ippudu shape lo chestundi. The benefit of this, it is vector. You can scale to any extension and you can merge it down and it turn into a single shape. You can duplicate it out and the overlapping is working here. You can get it small, get it rotate, or do like how much rotation middle and all, then fuse them together with the help of your alignment button. So a different math will be created which is 200% quality proof. No quality loss will be there. And individually to draw this, it's very difficult because minute math is happening on the screen. Fine, hope you understood what you learn, what can be done. A lot of math is there in your brain that will make the magic. And it is permutation combinations. So at every step, a new structure will be forming up, and all these things will help you out to make motion graphics. Like on the screen, you'll be finding like the screens are coming and getting rotate, moving, scaling, getting away from the screen. All the things will happen that way. Is it clear? Endaru ardhamainda? Does it okay? Hello? Fine. So at a stretch, we have learned only one tool only. Okate matram tool. But we need to go in depth. That's why I just touch to every options and icons because final structure has to be done. Now what we have seen, multiple duplication design, repetition art, symmetric art, visiting card making, logo designing, all these things can be done with your the same simple shape tool. Is it okay? Now still it is only 60 to 70%, more like 30% are there. In the rectangle we have deal with only the first option. Now we'll be moving to the second and third option. Before going to the second option, let us move to the third option first. It is easy to understand. We have done the rectangle in the previous case. So let's take a new file. Rectangle we have done, and we have filled the color by taking a new layer. Very nice. Same job is done here directly. It is also pixel, it is not vector. ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది డైరెక్ట్ స్క్రీన్ మీదే డిజైన్ డ్రా అయిపోతాం. Now got to know added advantage here. Rectangle allowed to make a shape, then filling, and it is pixel only. But rectangle shape does have an option called pixel, which allowed to draw the same design on screen directly with the FG color. No need to make selection then fill. So now the added advantage of the pixel version we have seen. Pixel versions allow the color to get filled immediately. Then why to use that tool? We can able to use this. That is also a thing. But what is other added advantage here? Only to make a fill color, it is not there. Rectangle tool doesn't have a mode option. Can you able to see a mode? No. It doesn't have a mode. What is mode? How many type of mode? Which mode does what? Already you have learned. 26 blending modes are there. 26 reactions are there. 26 math is there. And now all these things will be activated to this rectangle tool. Can you able to see on your screen now? This particular tool does have mode in it. Rectangle doesn't have mode. Now we find the another advantage of the rectangle shape. Modes are not there here. No, but modes are there in rectangle shape. The advantage of it, instantly we can able to get use the cuttings. So let us see clear. We can make the design, we can cut the design, we can add the design, we can cut the design, we can take the color, we can form it up in the behind. Hope you can able to understand what is the time saving process here. Again, if you need to get it clear, yes, switch to this and get it clear. The same tool is used for making it delete, adding, subtracting, multicolors, everything in one tool. Switch to the normal form. And now you can able to start up using your keyboard shortcut. Alt Shift R. Already you have learned in the brush. 26 blending mode, 26 keyboard shortcut, and all are working with Alt plus Shift. ABCD elaga 26 alphabet untundi, 26 keyboard shortcut, 26 mode untundi. So you can fuse them together. Now we are into the normal Alt Shift N. Now you need to get it clear. Alt Shift R. What is the button we are hitting? Alt Shift and R with R button. Instantly you can able to switch to the clear mode. Now you can see cutting starts. Now again you need to add up. Alt Shift N. Add it up. Now you need to get it behind and paint. Alt Shift Q. Alt Shift Q for behind. Change the color. Change the color instantly. Drag it down. And after the design is done, if you feel like, okay, now you need to get it clear somewhere, Alt Shift R, get it out. So you can find layout can be done within very less time. And get it add up. Yes, add up. Making frame becomes easier. No tools, no layers. Okka layer mide, you can make 100 of artworks get fused together instantly. What is the things we are using now? Rectangle tool, not in shape mode, but in pixel mode. Is it clear? Fine then. So hope we have understood how to use the shapes and how professional options are available. To get you understand the importance of it, we have touched to every icon of these shapes. On the next class, we'll be switching a little more.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, each time if you want to change it, already you didn't merge it, no, sir. But if you want to change the shape of one individual box, you need to delete. You need to copy the layer and delete every shape, and then you can change the color, no, sir.
This is one of
Only
the
way, sir.
This is one of the way.
Okay.
We can
You
try.
showed us that way, no, sir.
This is one of the way, and we can able to start creating others ways also. Is it okay? Fine then. So hope we have understood the things. Now the summary of the class on screen. We have started with what is called vector concept. Till now we are dealing with rasters, and who are there to make the vector shapes in Photoshop: text, shape, and pen. Again, shape is divided into predefined shapes and user defined. We have just started with the predefined shape, and that to be only one rectangle. And inside the rectangle, the only one part we have touched, the other part is the same concept. We can have to try it out normal. And shapes does have three properties, like it does have an outline property, it does have fill and outline both the property, and it does have a color property. And we have seen a comparative knowledge over here, like why to use rectangle shape rather than rectangle marquee. What is not possible with that and what is possible with this. And what are the duplications, what are the extra things we can able to do it up, and what options bar does have more with the shapes. And where it can able to start up working, and how does pixel format of these shape can able to make us. So addition, subtraction, clear, behind, all the color modes can be fused inside the shapes to make the layout. And we have seen how to make a logo designing and how to make a layout designing. Have a try, and if anything is there, we can get it clear in the next class.
Sir,
Yeah.
when will the gifts will be start, sir?
Which?
GIF, sir. GIF, GIF.
Animations, like
Yes, sir.
animation. Yes, once the saves are done, then whenever we are saving the file, at that concept that will come up there. How to save different file formats. File format concept is there. After making is over, then we'll go for that. Is done?
Okay, sir.
And
Thank you, sir.
it's full screen. You can take a print screen of it. Then we'll stop the screen.
Thank you, sir.
Fine. Thanks.
Hello. सर
Yes. Anything you want to add up? Yes.
सर मैं प्रीमियर प्रो का पूछना चाहता हूँ.
Premiere Pro ना अभी मैडम कुछ अडगंटे I don't have access.